Hi, Farmer Dean here, and I'm going to show you how to do no-peeled eggs. And I got this hack from Jamie Fielding. Okay, we're going to spray a pan with avocado oil. Of course, it's from Chosen. And then I'm going to use Vital Farm eggs, and I'm going to put 7 of them in here. We're going to take our eggs and we're going to put them in a pan. The water is higher than the eggs. I'm going to put them in the oven at 375 for 20 minutes. Bring them out. I'll show you how they look. So what I'm going to do is just go around the edge just a little bit so I can slip it out. I'm just going to flip it over and flip it out. There we go. Getting it ready for the egg salad. All I have to do is just cut it up. No peeling. They're a little hot yet. I should wait for them to cool down just a little bit more. Be easier to work with. And the size that you want and you like, that's what you have to do. No peel for egg salad. You're ready to go. OMGs, that's simple.